See the ghost?
See the ghost there?
Can you wave to the ghost?
Hi, ghost.
Hi, ghost. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you say Happy
Bye-bye.
Halloween?
Halloween.
他讲得
Can
很
you
好
say trick or treat? Say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Cat. Don't touch.
Hi, Connor.
Wave to Grandpa.
Hi.
Hi.
Say hi, say hi, Grandpa.
Hi.
Hi.
It's really
而且
nice
它
here.
的好像地都是怎么讲，比较
Nice houses.
level 一点
Yeah, it's very level here. That's what they said.
Yeah, very level 那个。
This one looks nice.
It's a new house, right?
Okay.
哦，这个也是，哎呦，这个房子
It's
大
a new
了。
house. It's a big one.
Oh, it's,
Okay.
Right there.
yeah.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Is there a pumpkin right here? Look at the pumpkin here.
Pumpkin there, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Skeleton.
Okay, you want to show
Pretty.
big spider?
Scary. Look.
Oh, is that scary?
Oh, pumpkin.
More
Pumpkin.
pumpkins?
Yeah.
Is that scary?
More pumpkins.
Oh, are there bats?
One more.
You want to see another one? Okay, let's look over and look. Oh, look, there's scary ghosts.
Oh, look.
Oh, is that scary?
There's a dog.
What are you doing outside, Sammy?
There's a dog.
More pumpkin.
More.
Where's Lemon?
Where's the lemon? Show Grandma. There is a lemon.
This is a lemon?
Yeah. Yeah. It's a lemon. Yeah.
Where's skeleton?
Hey, look at Sha. It's waiting for you. You want to looking for? Wow. You want to looking for Big Mom? Are we going to see Big Mom?
Ah. Ah. Oh.
Oh.
Had a bite. Ah, big mouth. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mom, did he eat any pretzels? Did he eat any pretzels?
Maybe it's a.
Did he eat any pretzels?
Only a couple. Still whole.
Connor,
Big
do you want a
mouse.
cookie?
Big
you want a
mouse.
No?
That's yours?
Yeah.
Ah.
That's good.
Huh?
Oh, dinosaur! Show me where
Dinosaur.
Connor,
Dinosaur.
what's this one called? Who's this? Who's
Hi.
Brachiosaurus? Who's this?
Hi. Julia.
Grandmother.
Yeah.
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 Fireman. Okay.
Yeah, fireman.
Fireman.
Fireman. Grandma, understand now.
Fireman.
Fireman.
The fire engine is in your room, Connor.
Fire
Do you want to go get the fire engine from your room? Go get it. You don't want the
Fire
fire
engine.
engine. You just want the firehouse.
Dragon. So what are you making? A dragon, huh? Okay.
这稍微用一点力的，他就去做了。
A dragon.
My daddy. Don't take armor.
No.
That's a dragon, right?
What color?
You're making a dragon?
No.
What? Yellow. Good. What color is this?
Yellow.
This is what? This?
Yellow.
This is not yellow. Come on.
This one.
That's yellow,
yellow. How
yeah.
about
This is
this?
red.
Orange.
Red. Good.
Use it.
What color?
I use it.
What color?
I use it. I use it. I use it.
So Connor is watching video. right?
What is it? Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Do you know Spider-Man?
Robot. Press this. Press its hand. Press right here. Press. Oh. Another one? Okay, you want to press it? Okay, wait till this one's done. Wait till it's done. Okay, now press this one. Press it.
Press it.
Press it.
Go ahead. Oh, they're both. So Connor's laughing. Is that funny?
Yeah.
It's wet. Dangerous, don't do it. It's wet. Come here. Come this way. Come this way. Hey. And talk to the big mouse.
Hi.
Hi, big mouse.
Hi, big mouse.
Ah.
Rabbit him.
Uh-huh.
Rat him.
Okay. Say hello to the big mouse.
Hi.
Hi.
Put some more rice in your mouth. Put some more rice in your mouth. Grandma's gonna videotape you. Take a bite. Take this.
Rice. Connor loves rice.
It tastes good.
And he doesn't have like a stomach
Look at Connor eating rice.
Okay, okay, okay.
No.
Connor is singing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Did you have to